guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change the password of your Apple ID. So to do that, you can log into any of your iOS device and now just open the settings, and after that on the top you can see the Apple ID icon over here. Just tap on it and now you'll see these many options like personal information, sign-in and security, payment and shipping, and many more. You need to go and tap on sign in and security, open it, and now you'll be able to find password over here. And you can see that I've changed my password in February 21, 2023. They show you that too, and all you have to do is just tap on change password over here. Tap on it and now enter your current password. And now you just need to wait and you'll be shown this page, and you can see that your password must be at least 8 characters long and it must include a number, an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter. You're advised this in order to make your password strong so it cannot be easily hacked or logged into or changed by someone else. So guys, just type in your new password and verify it by retyping it again and tap on change. And after you do that, you'll be able to change your password. So guys, that's how you change the password of your Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, then please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.